Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to generate sink in kitchen. Let's try it together. Go to Interior Design Tools. Select Advanced Tool, Kitchen and Bath. Then select the Generate, Sink from the top toolbar. Enter the generation page. Select the cabinet that needs to be generated. Then select Add Sink Style and Tap Style in the right basic panel. After selecting the appropriate style, determine the installation type. Modify the sink margin at the spacing mode. Then click Generate. Sink generation completed. If you want to generate double sinks based on the above operations, then click Add Sink. Select the sink style and tap style of Sink 2. Determine the installation type. Modify the sink margin at the spacing mode. Then click Generate. Note, if the spacing input box turns red, you need to determine whether the cabinet can lower 2 sinks and the distance cannot be negative. After successful generation, click Finish to exit the Generate Sink interface. The generated effect is as follows. That's all. Thanks for watching.